Okay. I guess. No. Yeah, that's the westbound. That's the end truck or no? Damn it, it's gonna be loud. That's the end truck though? What's the number? Number?
2897.
Second one is 2815.
2855.
What?
2855.
I guess it kept going. I was guessing it was gonna stop, but I guess it kept going. So. Okay, I see car hard. Just saying, if a train comes at freeway, I'm staying in the car. I doubt it though. The hell? Maybe. Number car. Because it was raining earlier in the day, that's why. Damn it. This train's going towards Flint, Michigan. You know? I think the rest of the car hauls now, I'm not sure. I thought that was CN truck, but no it isn't. The rest has some car hauls. Alright.